Yeah, the Max D full function radio control.
So it comes with one controller. Of course, there's other trucks you can get like Monster Rottweiler, Soldier Fortune, Dragon, Gator.
Yeah, Steve's talking about showing us all this stuff on the back. And he said, all of them, he said you could get Gravedigger, Dragon, Soldier of Fortune, Monster Rottweiler, and we have Max D. Well, let's check it out, guys. We're going to open it up and see what it can do.
You got Max D there. Yay! Presenting from my toy box, on top of my toy box, the finished toy.
So cool, here it is, guys. The remote control Max D. You know, it's pretty cool. It's not a full-size remote control car, maybe like a mid-size, you'd say. New Bright makes it. Got all the Max D decals on there. Already came assembled and ready to go. Just required batteries. The truck required how many batteries, Steve?
5 batteries.
Yeah, the whole thing total requires 5, but the truck requires 3, and the RC remote requires 2, which is what, Steve? 2 plus 3 is?
5.
5. Alrighty, so it goes pretty fast and goes pretty quick. We're going to show you guys what it does. Steve wants to show you what it looks like in his toy box. So we emptied out his toy box so he could show you. Go ahead and open it up for him, Steve. Once again, thanks to Grandpa with the cool hydraulics and making the toy box. So we cleared it all out. We're going to put his monster truck in here, Max D, and see how it looks. So here goes Steve, crashing Max D into the walls. Oh yeah, straight and back, make you go.
So those are 2 straights. Let's check out our 2 turns. So don't know how to do the turns though. Those turns you might want to go straight, backwards. Or some turns with straights. Our 2 straight ones are backwards and forwards, and our 2 turn ones are left and right, left and right, left and right, left and right. So now,
What do you think we take Max D out of the box and we show him how he could ramp over some stuff? What do you say, Steve? Alrighty, guys, here on this Steven's toy box,
we got a gator.
We decided to make a cool little course. We used some
I have
MagnaTiles.
a toy gator.
And some MagnaTiles.
And some MagnaTiles to knock over the gator out of that triangle.
And we also made, what's that, Steve?
A ramp.
A ramp with MagnaTiles.
Yeah.
And then there's Max D right there getting ready to go. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. Oh, miss. Okay, here we go again, guys. Steve's going to make the noise and we're going to see Max D take down the gator. Gator down!
Yeah!
What do we say, Steve? Yeah.
Gator distraction takedown. Yeah, the later gator distraction takedown.
Later, gator. We're always having a blast, guys, on Steven's Toy Box. Alrighty, guys, we set it up again, but this time we set it up a little different. Tell us what we got, Steve.
We've got the biggest kitty ever!
We built a little miniature kitty cat. Not miniature. He stands very tall using all the MagnaTiles that we had. We gave him little ears and a flat little tail. This kitty's about to go meow.
Get it? This kitty is gonna go meow down. Get it? Meow down.
Here we go in 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Wow, he made a big miss. What's he gonna do? He turns around, he lines up perfect. Oh! Back up, go forward, here he goes. Meow.
The kitty's just too big. The kitty's just too big.
He just saw it. Oh, there it is.
The kitty was just too big.
He finally came down though, huh, Steve?
The kitty is just too big.
The kitty was just too big.
How about
Alrighty, guys. Check out Max D. He's fun. He's a blast. We're having a good old time with him. And MagnaTiles. MagnaTiles are always fun. Steve loves MagnaTiles. What do you think of this Max D remote control car, Steve?
it's super good.
It's super good. He likes it. He even loves Monster Jam.
Monster Jam is just so loud, and I want monster trucks to win.
Yeah. Look, there's like...
Fine.
That's pretty cool.
Max. Miss the obstacle. Now, crush that.
Crushed it.
Just like this is so fun. MagnaTiles do not stick together. Of course, you need someone to help the MagnaTiles stick together. By now, you can use them not sticking together by normal winning power. Just like that.
Yeah, we got all kinds of cool stuff in Steve's room. MagnaTiles, Max D. We're playing here on Steven's Toy Box. We always recommend any kind of Monster Jam stuff. We love Monster Jam. Monster Jam's fun. This specific toy was not very expensive. I think you could get it retail maybe about like $12. So really cool. Requires 5 batteries, 3 for the truck and 2 for the remote control car, which is how many again, Steve? How many is it?
Yeah.
How many is 3 plus 2? 5, that's right. Good job, Steve. Cool.
Watching Steven's Toy Box. Subscribe. Press the red button to watch one of our other 4 videos that are also coming out new.
Yeah, we got several other videos out there, guys. Please like, please subscribe. We knocked that thing down, huh, Steve?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching Steven's Toy
We
Box.
took down the construction right there. Took down the construction.